Here's a simple, natural homemade recipe for reducing scars using aloe vera gel and olive oil. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe vera gel from the aloe leaf or store-bought, but ensure it's pure. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Instructions: 1. Extract aloe vera gel. If using fresh aloe, cut a leaf and scoop out 2 tablespoons of the clear gel inside. 2. Mix. In a small bowl, combine the aloe vera gel with the extra virgin olive oil. Mix thoroughly until the ingredients form a smooth, uniform paste. Third application. Clean the area of the scar gently with water and pat it dry. Apply the aloe and olive oil mixture to the scar, massaging it in a circular motion for about 5 to 10 minutes. Leave it on. Let the mixture sit on your skin for 20 to 30 minutes to allow the skin to absorb the nutrients. 5. Rinse off. After the time is up, rinse the area with lukewarm water and pat dry with a clean towel. Repeat. For best results, repeat this process 1 to 2 times daily. Benefits: aloe vera gel is known for its soothing and skin-repairing properties. It helps promote skin regeneration and reduces inflammation, making it excellent for scar healing. Olive oil is rich in antioxidants and vitamins, particularly vitamin E, which helps moisturize the skin, reduce scarring, and promote overall skin health. With regular use, this natural remedy can help minimize the appearance of scars over time.